Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits with Balamrutham, updated. Begin by warming Balamrutham gently and combining it with dry ingredients to make a shaggy dough. Work quickly to keep butter cold and fold it in small pieces for flaky texture. Chill the dough for 30 minutes, then pat to about 3.5 inches thickness and cut rounds. Bake until golden and serve warm with honey or chutney for a comforting treat. Start by measuring flour and adding salt, then cube cold butter and place it back in the fridge until ready. Sift flour into a bowl and add a small amount of baking powder, then rub in the butter until pea-sized crumbs appear. Stir in a modest amount of warm Balamrutham, just enough to bring dough together without making it sticky. Chill the dough for 30 minutes to firm up before rolling, cutting, and baking to golden perfection. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a thoughtful book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with baking time for quiet reflection. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if curious, and now let's get back to the video. When dough is chilled, pat it gently to a uniform thickness so each biscuit bakes evenly and keeps its layers. Use a sharp cutter and press straight down without twisting to avoid sealing the edges and losing rise. Arrange rounds on a tray with light space between them and brush tops with a little Balamrutham or milk if you like extra browning. Bake until tops are golden and centers feel soft but set, then cool slightly before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.